edit together. Maybe they'll be able to get that to you. I'm going to get that to you. Say that out loud. Okay. Thank you all for your time. And I want to know what came up for you. What did you see in your stories? What did you see in other people's stories? What was happening?
Take action.
And let's bring it in. Let's bring it in.
Out of all of them, I kind of saw, well, pretty much helping and acceptance despite everything. Like our story pretty much involved an immigrant mother and her baby. Even though someone was threatening to shoot the person, my person was going to help the person, even though she was at risk of being shot at.
Everyone's performance. I feel like it all showed courage. All of them. They showed some type of courage. Like even though they was faced with adversity, they still overcame it no matter what.
I saw a lot of from a lot of people's stories. I just saw a lot of chains and bonds. A lot of locked individuals. A lot of individuals being held captive, and a lot of other individuals coming to set them free. Kind of similar to like my story, their story. My story was kind of based on like this right here, somebody being within chain, something that I've seen before, like throughout my life.
I see that there is a lot of things that must be done, and this work requires action, and we can be part of this action, and we don't have to wait for something to happen to us, so we can feel related to it.
Yes.
If we can see it in others.
Actually, can you say that again?
With my English, no. The more you use your English, the better you get.
Yep.
Okay. I saw that there is a lot in this world that it must be done, and that is required action, right? And we don't have to wait for something to happen to us. So to do something, if we can see news every day and get related to everybody, we are part of everything, and we should feel related to every situation that is going on in the world.
Well, of course, I just came in and I saw everybody like actions and everything. I could say like for each like individually, like even if you are shy or lock yourself up, as he said, we obviously saw like in the last action, like each of you, even if you were scared or not, whatever the situation was, you didn't lock yourself and you stand up and so kind of hold yourself. And in fact, in the thing like in my last action, like I used take on like my action was about like Don Travolta, like in the I don't know the movie, but it's kind of like the meme that you see like when somebody like leaves something like.
Just in general, like I can see that everyone, it involves some kind of like helping, like we're all helping each other. Even though you don't know anybody, just for you being human, it made you want to help that person. But the most important thing that I just realized when we were doing the initial exercise about what do you represent, I said I'm representing conquerors. It tied in with, I didn't even know that we were going to have this operation exercise and whatnot. So when we did it, and it came to that word for me. It fulfilled it when we were like, she's going through this and I'm trying to help her. Like, girl, we can do this. We are more than conquerors. So, yes.
through your images, through your bodies. And I wish that we had time to debrief for every single person, but you now carry each other's stories with you. I hope that you continue to build in relationship. You have an incredible resource here with Jason and the Leadership Academy. I know many of you for many years, and I love seeing your recurring faces. You're so powerful. I hope that you can stay in touch. I have an organization called Art is Love and Action. We always look for volunteers of all kinds because we do this work with community, with kids, with elders. And you can follow me on Instagram if you're interested in connecting to that kind of work anywhere in the city, because a lot of people are doing this kind of work. Okay? I appreciate you, and thank you so
I have a theater background, so when I got here and I started to talk about leadership programming, DP Cruz, who was Dean Cruz at the time, gave me a list of things that I'm supposed to do. And the first weekend after looking at that list, I said, oh my God, I don't know any of this stuff. How am I going to do it? Because I was a teacher, I was a professor. I thought I had to teach everything. And I came in on Monday and said, no, you're going to hire people to do all of this. So I said, great. So that took care of part one. Part two was I have a theatrical soul. And what I know from the theater is that you learn so much more by putting your bodies into it, by opening yourself up to a community and engaging at a different level. It's great to have all the presenters that we're having who can tell you things and share things and do Q&A. But when you have to engage with it and struggle with it and really see other people struggle with it, for some people it's harder to do things, for some people it's easier to do expression. I knew that I wanted to have that, and so very early on I got somebody to come who was a teacher of Namibia's, yes. Christina Marie, and she started that a long time ago, being here, coming down from Boston, and then she went to Arizona, and that messed everything up. But I asked for a recommendation, and Christina gave me Namibia's name, and she has been coming here ever since. And we try to bring her in not only for this, but because this is, the work that she does is so, it's so deep. It takes you to another level. That we try to bring her back in the spring semester to also do one of our spring series workshops. So you can do it some sort of continuation, so you can dig a little deeper in a smaller group, right? You guys are a big group. That's a smaller group that's going to be. So I value you as a professional and the contribution that you make every year. There are very few people who touch me in such a way as to make me feel like I'm actually accomplishing something. There's a few people that you're going to see this week and that do that, and Amelia is one of them. And so let's give her a really great What's that?
Do we have time for a quick picture?
Yeah, let's do a group picture. Can we get everybody like with Hostos right in the background?
Yeah. I'm getting started.
I'm gonna have a little bit of front, little people slide up in here.
I'm very short.
Come on, slide up in here, man. And we gotta look like we love each other in this picture. You know what I'm saying?
Why don't they just sit down, you think?
Thank you. All right. If you can't see the camera can't see you. That's really important. I'm a short guy.
Miss.
Here.
Here.
Yeah, in the middle, like laying down.
Everybody make a funny face.
Okay.
Crazy one. 1, 2.
Thank you. Mike,
everybody enjoy